Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of the Sly N Snide Tour Guide. I'm your host, Lama, and I'll be guiding you on this journey through a history, culture, society, sites, and fields of my island Aruba. Hopefully, this little tour will broaden your knowledge and awareness, thus enhancing the happy island experience. That's it for the little briefing. If you are ready, I am ready. Onward we go. Follow the magic stick. This is your Sly N Snide Tour Guide, Lama. Follow the magic stick. For those of you who've been living under a rock, either by choice or persuasion, Aruba's primary source of income is tourism. The island's white sandy beaches, succulent turquoise waters, exquisite weather accentuated with soothing breezes, and an impressive collection of roundabouts has an annual influx of approximately 1.5 million visitors a year. This makes tourism the primary industry and main source of income for the island. But I'm sure you might be wondering if this has always been the case. And the answer is no. Aruba had a diverse array of industries throughout the years, ranging from horse trade, aloe, phosphate, oil, and today's subject, gold.
I love gold!
'Twas the year 1824, and a 12-year-old boy by the name of Willem Rasmain was herding his father's sheep in an area known as Roifluit. In the course of this woolly task, he stumbled upon something shiny on the ground. Young Willem brought this shiny yellow metallic thingy to his father. According to legend, the senior Rasmain had no clue as to what this object was, so he decided to journey to Playa, where he met up with a merchant who realized it was gold. Yeah. Regardless, the rumors of the discovery of gold prompted a rush that lasted till 1854, when the digging rights of Arubians were stripped to give concessions to foreign mining companies. Starting with the Dutch Concessie de Jong from Den Haag, followed by Isola Company in 1867, to Rickett & Co. from New York City in 1868, which then lost the rights to the Aruba Island Gold Mining Company of London in 1872. A vast number of mines were located in the areas and hill ranges to the north and northeastern side of the island, in places such as Matividiri, Cerro Cristal, Wariruri, Roifluit, Daimari, and Miralama, just to name a few. According to an oral account, most, if not all, the mines were connected via tunnels that would lead to the gold mills in Bushiribana and later Balashi for extraction. Obviously, I don't mean to mention that anyone working in the mines or at the mills face life-threatening conditions. The methods of extracting the shiny stuff from its rocky seclusion varied depending on the innovations of the industry present at time. The process of gold milling entails crushing of gold ore by way of wind or steam-powered mills that would release gold fragments and other residual impurities, which then would be mixed with mercury, dissolving the gold, creating a mercury-gold amalgam separated from the impurities. This mixture is then heated to the point that the mercury would vaporize, leaving shiny, happy aurum behind. And on that note, I would like to welcome you to Bushiribana Gold Mill ruins. This stunning wind-powered mill was built between 1872 and 1874 by the Aruba Island Gold Company of London, and it was in operation till 1906. It's primarily built from basalt, which the surrounding area is abundant in providing. Today, the Bushiribana Gold Mill is an extremely popular attraction for visitors and locals alike. Yet it is so much more than that. It's a monument and heritage site, a place that whispers of days when happy island living wasn't even a thought, a memorial to the Arubian men who gave their life to the global fever of gold. By the way, Bushiribana is an Arawak word meaning stack rocks are an eyesore. Yours truly is aware that rock stacking is a tradition in some cultures and also serve as a beacon or waypoint on hiking trails with unfamiliar terrain. But Aruba is an island. There's no need for waypoints. You find the ocean, trace the coastline, you'll be fine. Contrary to popular beliefs, rock stacking doesn't grant wishes and is not part of the Arubian culture. Building rock stacks can contribute to erosion and destabilization of the shoreline. Stacking the rocks can also disrupt the natural habitat of tiny creatures on the rocky shoreline. So be awesome and always remember the true meaning of Bushiribana, because only you can prevent aesthetic pollution. Guys, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Links to our previous episodes, social media platforms, and websites are in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to G's Bahari YouTube and click that notification for more Sly Snide content. As always, once a guest, always a friend. This is your Sly N Snide tour guide, Beach Lama. Follow the magic stick.